Are you unknowingly sabotaging your relationship? In 2025, couples face unique challenges that can erode even the strongest bonds. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll discover the top mistakes many are making and how to avoid them to keep your love thriving. In today's fast-paced, digitally driven world, maintaining a healthy relationship requires awareness and intentional effort. Let's dive into the most common pitfalls couples are encountering this year. Neglecting in-person connection. With the rise of remote work and virtual interactions, it's easy to let face-to-face quality time slip. Relying too heavily on digital communication can lead to misunderstandings and a sense of detachment. Example: imagine a couple who, due to busy schedules, primarily communicate via text. Over time, they might miss out on nonverbal cues, leading to misinterpretations and feelings of isolation. Solution: prioritize regular in-person interactions. Schedule date nights or simple tech-free evenings to reconnect on a deeper level. Allowing technology to interrupt quality time. Phobbing or snubbing your partner in favor of your phone has become a pervasive issue. This behavior signals that your device is more important than your partner, leading to feelings of neglect. An example would be during dinner, one partner frequently checks their phone, causing the other to feel undervalued. The solution here will be to establish a tech-free zone or times, ensuring that you give your partner undivided attention during key moments and throughout the day, of course. Avoiding difficult conversations. Conflict avoidance might keep the peace temporarily, but it often leads to unresolved issues that fester and grow. Addressing problems head-on fosters understanding and growth. An example would be a partner consistently avoids discussing financial concerns, leading to mounting stress and resentment. The solution here is to approach sensitive topics with empathy and openness, setting aside dedicated time to discuss and resolve issues collaboratively. Neglecting appreciation and gratitude. Taking your partner for granted can erode the foundation of your relationship. Regular expressions of appreciation reinforce your bond and the connection between you two. An example would be one partner feels unappreciated for their efforts in maintaining the household, leading to feelings of resentment. Make it a habit to acknowledge and thank your partner for both big and small gestures. A simple thank you can go a long way, of course. Recognizing and addressing these mistakes can transform your relationship. If you're finding this insight helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more relationship advice tailored for today's world. Remember, every relationship requires continuous effort and mindfulness. By avoiding these common pitfalls, you can foster a deeper, more fulfilling connection with your partner. Embrace open communication, prioritize quality time, and always show appreciation. Your relationship is worth it.